Jeep Wrangler YJ, aka Jeep Joel. As you can see, we've started some of the rough body work on this Jeep. You can tell from the hood. We're going to walk to the driver's side of the Jeep and take a look at some of the work that we've done to the rocker. The rocker had some rust and cracking Bondo that we had to repair, and we've done a little bit of body work on the side here. We're going to take a look at the back of the Jeep. You're going to see a few things that we've taken care of on this Jeep in the back. As you can tell, the trim has been removed from the Jeep, the tail lights, and we've started the exhaust. Now the exhaust is a high flow unit, a Flowmaster style muffler. Over here on the passenger rear quarter, we had to do a little bit of body work. There was a slight crease. We've taken care of that. As you can see, both the driver and passenger doors had some pitting around the window channel support area. This has been addressed. There was also some minor rust around the door handles that's been addressed with some Bondo. And also this particular door had a little bit of a rust spot right here that's been filled. This has all been taken care of. We're going to take a look inside the Jeep. The driver's floor had some rust that's been addressed, that's been cut out. A new piece of metal has been attached and seam sealed. Also, we added a stereo. The tub area in the front passenger area has been cleaned, and all the loose rust has been removed. So we're going to take a look inside the Jeep and take a look at the progress. In the engine compartment, we've given the engine a tune-up, we've changed the oil, we've also checked all the fluids. Unfortunately, the horn did not work in this Jeep. We've changed the horn, and we also had to address some issues with the steering column and the horn button. Those have all been rectified. Glad to say the horn works great. With this update, it'll give you sort of an inside look on what it takes to bring a Jeep back after being off the road for numerous years. Obviously, this Jeep is not done yet, and we're doing this on a tight budget. As I stated in the previous video, we're going to try to paint this whole Jeep for less than $100 with Rust-Oleum. Within the next week or so, we hope to paint this Jeep. Guys, we're also going to add a bonus clip of the first time we got this Jeep running. The Jeep needed a little bit of TLC, the fuel pump was completely shot, the gas was rotten. Thankfully, we were able to rectify those problems, put a new pump in, new filter, and this baby started right up. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks again. Nothing leaking, right?
Don't see anything.
No.
Put a starter fluid in it?
I'm sorry. A bunch of stuff in there when I cleaned out the throttle body.
Yep.
So.
Sorry.
Yeah, give it hell! Yeah! Oh, listen to that smoothness!
Listen to that baby. Burr! First time I saw it in 10 years, right? Outside.
It's alive!